Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this piece is one of my all-time favorites because I was able to use my powder pigment recipe and it worked beautifully as a cell activator. I've included my full step-by-step recipe with exact measurements for every color and the cell activator. So stay till the end so you can see that color shift cell activator transform this piece. I'm going to play some music so we can get started. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate your support.
Amanecer, savored every angle like it was cinema, cinema. No planes, enamorarme, un misterio cuando te encontré, una peli cuando te pones al revés. Dale replay pa' yo verlo otra vez, pa' yo verlo otra vez. No plan